This is the MacBook Air 13-inch in midnight equipped with Apple's M3 chip. I think that this MacBook is absolutely stunning in its finish, and I'm glad that with Apple's new anodization process, that fingerprint smudges are now reduced. In photos, this finish may look a little bit closer to black, but it's actually closer to a slate material, and it really reminds me of the black iPhone 5. Drop a like if you remember the iPhone 5 because I certainly do, and it was one of my favorite iPhones of all time. I'm coming from a 15-inch MacBook Air M2, and I wouldn't recommend this switch for almost anybody unless you're like me and really appreciate the portability over the slightly larger screen. So far, this keyboard is great to use in almost any position that you like to get work done. You still get Touch ID, which is great for unlocking your MacBook, but also for auto-filling in usernames and passwords. You get your MagSafe connector and 2 USB-C ports, this gorgeous liquid retina display, and a pretty good 1080p FaceTime HD camera. I don't want to bombard you guys with specs, but it's pretty cool that this MacBook now supports 2 external displays with the lid closed. I don't know if you can tell, but I am super excited for the better portability that this MacBook provides, the Wi-Fi 6E support, and oh my gosh, I am just down for it all. The MacBook Air is probably one of my favorite Apple products of all time. I remember once upon a time, I even used to use the 11-inch MacBook Air. It got me through school, and I absolutely loved that little machine. Anyways, guys, I am done rambling here. Thank you so much for watching.